Will Tesla produce and deliver the Model Y, the game changer? Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today's topic is the Model Y. And I'm going to tell you why I think the Model Y could be 10 times more important than the Tesla Model 3. Just for you to know, those who invested in Tesla 10 years ago, they invested in Tesla for the sole reason of the production and delivery of Model 3. That's how they made their money. And that's how they lost their money if they were the shorts. So Tesla's whole idea was, I'm going to produce a very expensive car, the first Roadster, take that money, invest it, and produce the Model S, which is also expensive. Take that money, produce the Model X, which is also expensive. Take that money and all the investors' money and produce the mass production of the Model 3. So since the production and delivery of the Model 3, Tesla produced and delivered over 110,000 Model 3s. It's possible that they'll produce 100,000 Model 3s in one quarter, this quarter. But why do I think that the Model Y, which is a crossover SUV, it's between the Model 3 and the Model X, why do I think that this is the most important Tesla? Is because Americans love SUVs. They love hauling their groceries in a huge car. I used to be like that. I had so many SUVs and I thought it was the coolest thing ever. And then I realized how stupid it was. But I'm not arguing. I'm not calling anybody stupid. I was one of them. So what I'm saying is America love SUVs, and crossovers are the best selling cars in America. All segments, especially the RAV4 and the Honda CR-V and on and on and on, and the Ford Escape and all those small SUVs. So a small crossover Model Y, no more than $45,000. Cannot be more than that. Should be less. In that sweet spot segments, cool looking, just like you see in the photos. If that comes to production, now I am telling you, mark my word. Here it is. You can save this video and refer to it later. Because Elon Musk, in the last call on the quarterly call of just last week of the Q3 call, said that plans were approved for the Model Y production. Production should start production starts in early 2019, and hopefully deliveries will start in I'm sorry, let me take back everything I said. Introduction should be in March of 2019, like the big event when they introduce, and then hopefully by 2020 there should be production and delivery. And I'm telling you, if you think Model 3 is selling like crazy, Model Y in the right price range will be bestseller. It will blow everybody away. I am telling you, America loves cars like this. Love cars like this. So I hope this happens. Not that I care for SUVs. I think they are whatever. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what I think. Who cares what I think? What I'm telling you is what's going to happen. So tell me what you think. And we're going to follow this story to see if they are going to take, let's just for example, let's say they take the platform, the base, the wheelbase of Model 3 and build on it, just like they did with the Model X. They took the Model S wheelbase and just build a bigger car on it. They can do the same thing with the Model Y, base Model 3 and build on it a crossover, and it will be an absolutely overnight success. I am telling you. It's the only car you're going to see on the road. Of course, I'm exaggerating, but you know what I mean. Tell me what you think, guys. Love to hear that. All right. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share my videos on your social medias, because sending this message to as many people as possible is my mission in life. See you tomorrow, guys.